Hi everyone, this is teacher Sandra. In this video, we'll be doing part whole model. So let's read the question. Mrs. Lim baked 800 cookies. She gave 347 of them to her sister and 289 to her cousin. So how many cookies had she left? So in this case, I will draw one bar. That's all of Mrs. Lim's cookies. So that's her total cookies, which adds up to 800. So let's label the model accordingly. Next, they tell us that she gave 347 of them to her sister. So let's cut out one part and label it sister, and also label 347 there. Next thing we know, she also gave some to her cousin. So let's cut another part from the model, shall we? So let's cut out another part here to say that that's the cousin. She gave that portion to the cousin. And we label the number as well. Cousin received 289 cookies. So okay, she started with 800, which is the whole bar. She gave some to her sister. She gave some to her cousin. So the rest of it, the blue color there, would be the leftover. So that's what she had left. And that's what we're supposed to find. The question is asking us how many cookies had she left. So what should we do? How many cookies did she give away in total? Let's find out. Over here, right? She gave to her sister and cousin. Okay, cookies that she gave away in total would be sister plus cousin. Sister, she gave 347. Cousin, she gave 289. So in total, she gave away 636 cookies. Okay, so let me change it over here. Total given to the sister and cousin, 636. Now, how many cookies did she have left then? If she started off with 800 cookies in total, and she had given away 636 cookies, means she's left with this part. So what should we do? In order to find that part, we simply need to remove or take away the purple part. Okay, take the total minus what she had given away, which would be 800, which is the total, minus 636, what she gave away. She's left with 164 cookies. This part is 164. So the answer would be Mrs. Lim had 164 cookies left. Alright, that's the end of this video. See you guys in the next.